Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel Helper series. Today in this video we are going to discuss about array add and array dot. So what is their purpose and how to use this into the project. So first understand this array divide. So array divide method return two arrays, one containing the keys and other containing the values of the given array. So it means that if we pass an array to this array divide, so it's divide the array with the keys and with the value. So basically it's create two arrays. The first one contains the keys and second one contains the values of this array. So let's now I'm going to print this out. I'm going to implement this into the project. So in the previous video we learned that how array collapse and cross join works, right? So if you are not familiar with this one, so you can watch my previous videos, right? So here I'm going to pass an array. So let me create the array here. Array name would be the Yatniazi. I'm passing my name here, right? And then I need to call this here. I'm first outputting this array, and array what I'm going to call the divide. Okay, and here we need to pass this array which we created right now, and then dd this output. And then now let's go here and give it a refresh, and yes, now it's returned two array. So first array contain the name, key, and second one contain the value. So it means that our array contain it's separating the keys into the separate array, and second contain the values. So if we pass like channel right here, so this would be a career development lab. Okay, let's get refreshed. So now it will separate two keys, two values. Let's go here, and now name channel, and then second contains the Yatniazi and career development lab. So it means that if we want to use the array keys into the separate array, we need them into the separate array, so we can get them. So now question arises that how we can get these arrays, right? So you can access this like if you want to access only its keys, so you can access this like this, array 0, so it will return only keys, right? So if you want to return the value, so you can return the 1 here, so it will return the values, right? So now let's understand the second topic. What's the second topic? So it's a array dot. So basically array dots convert a multi-dimensional array into a single dimension array. So it's flattened the multi-dimensional array into one using dot notation, right? So here this one is a main array which contain this array desk, and this array desk contain this price, right? So it means that it's a three-dimensional array. So here I'm going to define this array, and in this array I'm creating with the given example because it's readable, it's also understandable for you because it's in front of you. So in the first key here I need to pass the products, right? You can say that products, and then this products contain another array, right, which contain the desk, and then this desk also contain an array, so which is price, and then this price contain some value like this, right? So now if I print this array, so how it's look like. Let's go here, give it a refresh, and its products, in the product it's containing array and price like this, right? So it's hard to implement this array bracket sign 0 then here and stuff like that, right? So there is a helper which is used to convert them into a single dimensional array. So which is the helper? So let's array facade, and then you need to call this here method. So what's the method? So method is dot, right? So let's implement this dot, and then in this dot we need to pass this array, and let's dd this output. Okay, Let's save this one and give it a refresh and check that what's we are going to return. And yes, now it's returning the single array products.price.100, right? So you can also implement here fourth dimensional array like this, you can pass the first price, or you can say that courteous price 50, like this. So let's get refresh. So now it's added the products.desk.price.firstprice.50. So it means that we successfully converted our multi-dimensional array into a single dimensional array. So hope you like this video, and if you are not familiar with the existing one, like how you can divide, use this divide, how to cross join, collapse and stuff like that, so please watch this full series. So it's contain all of the helpers. Its series name is Laravel Helpers, which will cover all of the required, or you can say that which are the useful for every project. So hope you will get the benefit from this series. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.